Hello friends, I hope all of you are safe in this critical time. Today I am going to show you how you can make a simple sauerkraut at home in Indian style, which is full of vitamin C, antioxidants and full of other health benefits. We need to strengthen our immunity and sauerkraut is the best option since you don't need too many items to make it. Using organic cabbage will be best, but if you really can't get it, use the normal one. But take out few layers of the cabbage and then cut into small pieces. Let's weigh my cabbage. So it's 995 grams, almost 1 kilo. I will be using another 200 grams carrot and beet. So total weight around 1200 or 1200 grams. Going to use 2% salt, hence using 26 grams of salt. The beet and carrot will add some sweetness to the kraut. I am taking out one leaf to use later. My balcony is very windy, so I will cut my cabbage indoor. I like to slice carrots and beets thin so that it can match with cabbage pieces. I deserve this last piece of carrot. The beetroot I am using is also organic, so not going to remove the skin. Look at my hand. I love this color. Here is my cabbage ready for the massage. We'll sprinkle salt all over nicely and then mix. Give good massage and squeeze well until your hands are paining. This will ensure you getting lots of brine or liquid from cabbage. Because we are not going to use any water from outside. If you are a beginner, you can try using 2.5 or 3% even. But I don't keep my sauerkraut at room temperature for more than 5 days, so this much of salt is sufficient. Now apply salt to carrot and beet so that it will be little soft. I am adding some turmeric powder, not too much, otherwise it will overpower everything since turmeric has strong flavor which many people don't like. I am also adding little chilli powder to enhance the taste. But again, not too much since we'll be adding green chilies later. Let's see what happened to my cabbage. You can see now they are much lower in volume and soft and lots of brine came out. Now add the carrots and beet and mix well. Have to mix really well. And then add green chilies. We'll just break and add them randomly and mix one more time gently. Now take clean jar. Ideally it should be washed with soap and hot water before using. We'll add the mixed cabbage with brine inside now. The most important thing in lacto fermentation is to keep everything submerged and make it anaerobic. If vegetables are floating on top, mold or fungus can grow. So that's why we need more brine to keep everything submerged, and massaging cabbage can produce more brine. We'll use this pestle. You can use something else to push the veggies down. You can use your hands too if your hands are strong enough. We'll add some mustard seeds. It seems it keeps the cabbage crispy. You can add bay leaves or tea bags also to keep it crispy. Now we'll add this cabbage leaf on top so that no veggies can sneak peek. I am putting these glass candle holders. You can use any small clean glass item as weight. Now covering the mouth with kitchen towel and put a rubber band to keep it tight. Now I am closing the lid lightly. You can see everything is submerged nicely. You can also buy the fermentation weight from market or else put a plastic zipper bag filled with water as weight. 5 days over and you can see inside the jar having lots of bubbles on top. Singapore is quite hot. If the temperature in your place is not so hot, you might need to keep it longer. The red color went down and turmeric powder dominating the color on top. If your cabbage are not producing more brine, you can use salt water, but make sure the percentage of salt is around 2 to 3%. Let me give a quick mix as it's not looking so pleasant with yellow stain on cabbage. It's still very bubbly, which means it's fermenting happily. I'm showing how to make sauerkraut at home without having any fermentation equipment, but if you have, please use that. I'm going to take out the rubber and close the lid. I will put it in the fridge now with brine inside. I want to save the brine for next fermentation, but lazy at the same time to separate it out from the cabbage. You can take out the cabbage from the brine and keep in the fridge. It will be crispy for a long time. So don't waste your time and start making some sauerkraut for your family in this home quarantine time. It will not only strengthen the immunity but will enhance the taste of the food also. My homemade, crispy, little sour, sweet and little spicy sauerkraut is ready. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, press the subscribe button and hit the bell button. See you again.